Hello, guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so grateful that all of you came back. Thank you. I know it's been a really long time since I posted my last video, which is the only one that I have on my channel yet. Honestly, guys, I have had enough time, procrastinating things, overthinking about the things that I am doing. Maybe it would have those results or not. But gladly, I had read some books in the previous past and, had some events in my life that, just told me that I'm just wasting my time if I'm not doing that needs to be done. So here I am with all of you with my next video. And guys, I promise you that you'll all be hearing from me through my videos very often now. So guys, before starting my video, I will share a very beautiful story that I read a couple of days back. So it starts from 65 million years back. It is dated 65 million years back. An animal lays an egg at that time and that animal grows up. Let's give her an Indian name. Let us take that animal to be Geeta. All right. So Geeta is a dinosaur. Her parents tell her that you are the strongest of the dinosaurs that ever existed. You have no fear at all. You can live your life. So Geeta was overwhelmed that she didn't have any tension, any stress that she had to run for survival. Every animal that existed at that time had no match to Geeta. So Geeta had a carefree life. She was a dinosaur. She could go anywhere. She was a carnivore and could eat anything and anyone. Everything was going well. Since till one day, finally, everything ended in a meteor shower. Yes, guys, I'm talking about the Big Bang that happened 65 or 66 million years back. The dynasty or the animals that ruled Earth for 175 million years or approximately 200 million years were wiped off in a single event. Guys, tell me, what do we learn from that? I guess it's a really meaningful insight and I wish to share with all of you. And it is completely relevant in today's time. Guys, today's time is the time of the coronavirus, the COVID-19. I'm damn sure if your parents are working in a job or have a company, they are a working class. I'm damn sure right now they are working on a cut. Or unfortunately, I just don't want this to happen. Maybe many of them have lost their jobs. So guys, when we thought that jobs could provide us for the living that we really need to, but when times like this come, which come in 100 years, we then realize that there's nothing that is stable. The traditional thinking that the information age had, get good jobs, uh, just give everything that you have in your studies, get good grades in schools, and then pass out, get good grades in colleges, and then pass out, and have a job. You step by step move on, have your promotions, and retire at an age of 65 with peace and contentment. Guys, trust me, do you really think that that kind of mindset in today's world exists? I am damn sure we have really, moved far from the information age from a very long time. And yet people don't realize that. The deficiency that I call, which is the mediocre deficiency, the mediocre mindset deficiency, that still pertains in today's world. By a survey that I recently read a couple of days back, by 2030, that is by 2030, 40% of today's jobs will be just finished. All of you must have heard about automation. All of you must have heard about the artificial intelligence. All of you must have heard about what Elon Musk is doing these days. All those crazy ideas. Guys, have we really thought about that where we are progressing? I'll take my example. I right now want to do BBA and I have this conversation with my relatives, with my family, with my parents that what after BBA, maybe MBA and so on. But guys, deep in my, in my brain, in my heart, I know that MBA is redundant in today's times. It doesn't guarantee anything that I really want. Now this is a big problem that needs to be solved. And that needs to be, first of all, I guess, thought upon that what are we really going forward for. So guys, this is the end of the video and I, in this video, shared with you the greatest problem that will occur and that's actually occurring in today's past. I want you all to write what you feel about this. Write in the comment section whatever you feel about this. In the next video, I'll be sharing about the positive or the solutions for this. Till then, write and make sure you comment what you feel about this video, what you feel about this content, what you feel about the problems that are existing in today's world, and how you can solve them in the best possible way. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for the patience. I'll be seeing you very, very, very soon. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.